Hey everyone, welcome back to Rev and Explore Power Sports Previews. I'm your host Justin, and today we got an exciting action-packed lineup that you won't want to miss. If you're excited about all things power sports like we are and want to keep up with the latest and greatest models, adventures, and products, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure to turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of the exciting stuff we got to come. Now, rev up those engines and let's dive in today's new model. One of the very nice things about the Kawasaki Vulcan S is not just the sleek body designs of the bike, but it's actually packed with a 649cc parallel twin engine paired with a 6-speed transmission that actually has a positive neutral indicator position. Now, the reason I mention this is even though you still have that cruiser riding position, that more comfortable, smooth ride, it actually is tuned off of Kawasaki's sport bike lineup, the Ninja 650. So it has a lot more power and play off the line compared to any other cruiser in the industry. Another nice feature is it does have a sport bike derived chassis and suspension with a 7-position preload adjuster on the rear shock and a sport bike derived wheel and tire kit, making it an aggressive ride that is very comfortable with that cruiser riding position. Now, proper fit is key for rider comfort and control, but proper fit varies between rider to rider. What is super nice about the Kawasaki Vulcan S lineup is they do offer an ErgoFit ergonomics kit that you can purchase for any one of their bikes. Now, the ErgoFit kit is an interface system that allows riders to find their ideal riding position by being able to adjust their seat height, foot position, and bar position. Thanks for tuning in with us on today's adventure of the Kawasaki Vulcan S. And as always, make sure to ride safe, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the new exciting action-packed videos we got coming. Be safe. We hope to see you on the road. Thanks for tuning in.